Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of January 26th, 2016 after my Arizona Cardinals got whomped last weekend. Trade Navigator software is where all the charts we're going to look at come from. And our first chart here is a weekly bond market chart, and they continue to just look awfully strong ever since the Fed raised rates, so go figure. This week so far has been completely inside to last week, and it's kind of hard to know what to look at here. That previous swing high from last week is 161.18. It looked like that should make support this week around 157.20, which we've stayed well above so far. We are right near the projected high, so they could be calming down this week. They could actually stay as an inside week, but Wednesday will bring us the adjournment of a two-day FOMC meeting. Nobody's expecting anything, but they're going to parse that Fed statement to try desperately to read something into it, even though the Fed doesn't say anything. And so there's no telling. They could blow out to new highs. They could be all the way down to this lower moving average at 155.12. Anything's possible. But at this point, we've got this previous swing high here, which is around 157. And as long as they hold somewhere in this vicinity, they still look pretty doggone good. So until they break down, I think you got to kind of like this market. Stocks are, well, a little different. They've broken down so hard that they're obviously due for a bounce of some kind, but what they're showing us so far is a little confusing, I guess you'd say. We're looking at resistance around 1905 here, but it appears that they may have already held support around 1855. So, as with the bonds, it's possible they just stay in this little range. Given that it is the week of an FOMC meeting, that's kind of unlikely, but I don't know that you can predict either way they go out. If they do take out the 1905 and especially take out last week's high, gosh, I think there's a good chance they could be, I don't know, what is that, up near 1950 here at the upper moving average. If they turn down instead, boy, I got to believe they'll be challenging this old low down here near 1800. I don't think anywhere in here will hold them if they start to break down. It wouldn't surprise me to see a really, really major move after the Fed adjourns Wednesday and even continuing into Thursday. But even if they do that, I wouldn't be so certain that they will continue to move in that direction after Thursday. So just sort of a guesstimate of the future looking at my crystal ball. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get